So I'll be showing you how to uninstall apps on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. So I'll actually show you 3 different ways of doing this. Okay, so the first method is just swiping up from the watch face, scrolling on the app icons until you find the app you want to uninstall. So let's say, for instance, I want to uninstall this Samsung internet browser. Simply press and hold that app icon and you should see a menu there, this one. So tap on uninstall. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to uninstall that app. Tap OK to confirm, and that app is going to get uninstalled. There you go, the icon disappears to confirm it's been uninstalled. So you can do that for any app you want to uninstall. Now another way of doing this is swiping up and going to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down and look for apps. Here you are, tap on that, and then you should see app list. So tap on that, and that's going to list for you all the apps on this watch. So you can now scroll through the list of apps on your watch, trying to find the app you want to uninstall. Tap on the app you want to uninstall, and then scroll down and tap on uninstall. Okay, it's going to ask you, do you want to uninstall this app? Tap on the check mark to confirm, and that app is gonna get uninstalled. Simple as that. Okay, now the third way of uninstalling apps from your Galaxy Watch is using the phone that's paired. Okay, so go to the wearable app, and on the wearable app, go to watch settings. Under watch settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then from the list of apps, find the app you want to uninstall. For instance, this one, tap on it, and then tap on uninstall, and then confirm you want to uninstall by tapping on uninstall, and that app is going to get uninstalled from your Galaxy Watch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.